Hello guys, welcome. Getting your device isn't compatible with this version. Message when trying to install an app. Don't worry, here's how to fix it. Right, so step number one is going to be clearing Play Store cache. You go to Settings, Apps, Google Play Store, tap Storage, then hit Clear Cache and Clear Data. Now restart the Play Store and try installing the app again. Step number two, update Google Play Services. It's a different app. So make sure Google Play Services is up to date. Head to your browser and search Google Play Services APK. Download the latest version that matches your Android version and install it manually. Also check your Android version and architecture. Use an app like Device Info Hardware or Droid Info to check your Android version and CPU architecture. It's very important. Make sure you're downloading the correct APK variant. For example, ARM64 V8A and something similar, or x60 x86, and it matches your device. That's pretty much it. One of these steps should fix the compatibility issue. If you're still stuck, drop a comment below and we'll try to sort you out. Guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.